Good afternoon and thank you for joining us. Well, February was a volatile month. By the end of the month, all three of our major market indices were negative. The sell-off was related to investor concerns about a slowing economy, sticking inflation, tariffs, and Doge cost-cutting. The old adage is the stock market hates uncertainty, and there was a massive amount of uncertainty in February. Some folks are seeing blood in the water. Prominent investor Steve Cohen said, "It's definitely a period where I think the best gains have been had, and it wouldn't surprise me to see a significant correction." Maybe so. Two widely held stocks, Tesla and Nvidia, were particularly hard hit. Tesla was down over 27% in February. Nvidia, the poster child for AI, declined 8.5% the day after releasing a pretty impressive earnings report. When dealing with uncertainty, we think it is best, as we learned from the Watergate scandal, to quote, follow the money. Even after the recent downturn, Nvidia is still the second most valuable U.S. tech company after Apple. Nvidia's fourth quarter revenues were $39.3 billion, up 12% from the third quarter and up 78% from a year ago. And this is not a fluke. The company has beaten on the top and bottom lines in 19 of the past 20 quarters. Nvidia's largest customers are the so-called hyperscalers: Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and Meta. The four companies are planning to ramp up AI-related capital expenditures to $314 billion this fiscal year and $367 billion next year. Typically, the trend is your friend in investing, and if you believe we are in the early innings of the AI revolution, then these huge capital expenditures are your friend. In no way do we want to diminish investor concerns. There are danger signs out there. Tariffs will increase for China and Mexico in March. There was the disastrous meeting between Mr. Trump and Mr. Zelensky. There is the ongoing conflict in Gaza, a potential constitutional crisis related to federal government cost-cutting, and interest rates are rising. Things may indeed get worse before they get better in the short term. I guess we need to remind ourselves that, at the very least, we live in interesting times. Thank you for joining us. We hope to see you next month.